What are they doing? Listen and repeat. Part 4. Build. Building. She is building a sandcastle. Sip. Sipping. She is sipping green tea at the airport. Clean. Cleaning. He is cleaning the window. Take. Taking. She is taking a selfie. Shred. Shredding. He is shredding paper in his office. Sleep. Sleeping. She is sleeping in her bed. Measure. Measuring. She is measuring a dress. Listen. Listening. She is listening to music in her bedroom. Now it's your turn. What are they doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is he doing? What is she doing? What is he doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? Great job. Keep practicing.